If the items you mailed using Priority Mail Express International, Priority Mail International, or registered mail service from the U.S. to a foreign country becomes lost, damaged, or has missing contents, you may submit an international inquiry on USPS.com. Click the Help menu and select File a Claim. Click International Shipments. Gather all the information you will need for your inquiry. Then click Create an Inquiry. Sign into your existing USPS.com account or create a new account. Enter the USPS tracking number that appears on your receipt and the destination country for the mailing inquiry. Use the calendar to select the date the item was mailed. Then select Search to start a new inquiry. In the Package Information section, select Service Type and Reason for Inquiry. Enter the package weight, value, and contents description. Select the appropriate item category. Enter a detailed item description to include specific quantity, size, color, or brand. Use the calendar to select the purchase date or the date the item was mailed. Enter the value or repair cost of the item and indicate if it is lost or damaged. Go to Fees Paid and enter postage paid, additional insurance fees paid, and any additional fees you may have paid at the time of mailing. Complete the contact information and review the mailer's address information to ensure that it is correct. Note, you will need to complete the addressee's information exactly as you wrote it on your mailing label. Include the addressee's email address and phone number if known to assist the appropriate foreign post to process your inquiry. To complete, upload the required supporting documentation and describe the package wrapping to specifically identify your package. Click Choose Files and select the JPEG or PDF files under 2 megabytes to attach. Then identify each separate attachment as evidence of mailing or evidence of value. Provide any additional documentation that may be helpful. Agree to the terms and conditions. You can choose to review and edit information you need to revise, or submit inquiry. You will receive an email confirming your submission with a reference case number. Click Inquiry History to see details and the status of your inquiry. An email will either deem your inquiry as ineligible for a claim or with the status of Claim Sent for Review. Instead of having to file a claim separately, your inquiry will automatically become a claim if you have provided the required information and your inquiry is deemed eligible. If your claim is approved, you will receive a confirmation email and a check mailed to the address you provided. Thank you for choosing the United States Postal Service for your shipping needs. We look forward to resolving your inquiry.